It's a taste test. Let's see how these are. I got 2 guinea pigs. We are going to try some new soda that I found in South Dakota. What does that say?
The prebiotic soda.
So, you read that right there, Gollum, okay?
Have you heard? These berries are drama. Raspberries and blackberries.
They can't see that. You read. Start over. Start over. Kevin. Kevin.
So, have you heard? These berries are drama. Raspberries and blackberries. Blackberries and strawberries. And we'll enter all 3 of them together.
No, that's it. You just read that. That's the first one.
That's not all of it.
That is the wild berry one he's going to try. All right, Toodles. Which one is this?
Okay. Oh, hey, this is the strawberry lemon. Want to get juicy? Sip on this super fresh and tasty blend of ripe strawberries, my favorite fruit, and crisp lemon. That's so bold, it just asked for your number.
Okay. When was the last time you brushed your teeth?
2 days ago.
All right, get over here, woman. All right, here's the first one. Oh, it's pure white. It's like weird looking color. Hold on. And we got this one. That looks like a berry. Okay, who wants to try the wild berry first? Okay, and then who wants to try the strawberry lemon?
I will.
You gotta say how you like them or not.
That's horrible.
Yeah.
Try that one. You gotta get a sip. You're not even getting your one tonsil wet. There you go.
It's okay. It's very syrupy.
Well, that's why it's got ice. Let me try this. This is what? The strawberry lemon? What the hell is that?
That is horrible is what
There
that
is
is.
no strawberry in it. It's just like pure lemon.
That's like lemon juice.
No, that's
Like
that's like really bad Alka-Seltzer.
That's horrible.
Oh.
So,
Sorry, prebiotic soda. That one's like that's horrible.
you gotta try the wild.
I rate that a 1.
I think you're being kind. It's very syrupy.
Overshaved ice with a little vodka. It is very syrupy, but it gives me great strength. Hi, I'm John the Sailor Man. I dream. What is this?
Drink prebiotic, man.
I drink prebiotic soda. Ha ha. No? Yeah, that was a waste of $5.
Sorry, South Dakota.
Not good.
Bad.
So he continues to drink it.
Oh, I have a hole in my lip. That's even horrible after drinking that. So,
Water?
no, we tried it. I think we agree that we don't like it.
Yeah. Thumbs down.
Thumbs
Sorry.
down.
Sorry, South Dakota.
Sorry,
Poppy?
Poppi Prebiotic
Infused
soda.
with apple cider vinegar.
That's why it's horrible.
Okay.
That explains everything.
No fake stuff.
No fake stuff is okay.
Oh, and it's made with sparkling water, and I don't like sparkling water.
Same.
Austin, Texas, this is made in by Poppi. So we tried it, we came, we saw.
We never will again.
Infused with apple cider vinegar. Yeah, that's what makes it bad, you know.
Yuck. It doesn't matter.
So do all that great stuff. Subscribe, like, share, hit the little bell for notification, you know. And if we can get it, hey Kevin, move that up to there, lift that up. And that's my new thing that I got for my anniversary. See John's kitchen? All I am is just a cook.
Do I have to raise it up?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Bring it down. So that's what she got me for our anniversary. You know, so it's really cool. I really like it. I'll put a link up about that, where she got it. And outside of that, until the next time, thanks for coming into my kitchen to see Jane liking her new soda that I'm going to buy her 12-pack. And until then, my fellow cooks, we'll see you when we see you. Bye, everybody.